Hi guys, welcome back to another Hugh Jeffries video, and in this video we're going to be unboxing the brand new Apple Watch Series 4. This particular model is a 44mm Nike Plus edition in silver. These come in a variety of different colors and have a variety of different bands available. The bands are available to be purchased optionally if you want to add extra bands to your Apple Watch. You may recognize this unboxing from my live stream I did a couple of days ago on Instagram. I do post a lot of things on Instagram on my story and occasionally do some live videos, so go ahead and check out my Instagram, link will be in the description. Taking a look at the box itself, you'll find the Apple Watch logo and the Nike Plus logo on there as well. Flipping it around, you'll find the information on the watch, the serial number and IMEI if you got the Cellular edition. And you can go ahead here and just take off the plastic covering up the box itself. Now, it took me a couple of seconds to figure out how to open this box, but basically you just need to go ahead and pull the tabs through just like this. It's not like the older Apple Watch boxes where you'd have to lift up the box sort of like an iPhone. Once you're inside, you'll see this crazy Apple Watch design, and then you'll be greeted with the Apple Watch box on top. Underneath that, you'll find the box for the bands, so we can go ahead and open that and take a look at what's included with the bands for this watch. Now, because this is the silver edition, it comes with the sort of grey bands with these holes in it. Now, these holes are only for the Nike Apple Watches. If you go for a traditional Apple Watch, obviously you won't get these holes in the bands, although the bands are compatible with each Apple Watch, no matter if it is the Nike edition or just the traditional Apple Watch. Opening up the actual main box of the device, you'll be greeted with the Designed for Athletes by Apple and Nike. And then we can go ahead and open up that packet, and you can see here we're greeted with a simple instruction guide as well as the warranty information. On the far right, you'll find the power adapter, which in my case is for Australia. Next along, we have the 1 meter charging cable, not 2 meters like the original Apple Watch. And on the far left, we have the Apple Watch itself wrapped in this sort of microfiber pad, which we can go ahead and pull out to reveal the Apple Watch. Next up, we can go ahead and attach the Nike bands to the Apple Watch itself. They simply just slide in at the bottom and top and are held in place by little clips which are located at the bottom of the device, so if you need to take those bands out or you want to swap them over with a different type of band, you can easily do that as Apple sells additional bands. Now, the bottom of the Apple Watch Series 4 looks significantly different than previous generations due to the fact that it has a complete glass bottom. Going ahead and powering it on for the first time, we are greeted with the sort of setup, which sort of just prompts you to bring across your iPhone and go ahead and set up the device. Now, this isn't my Apple Watch, this is actually my friend's Apple Watch. I'm just unboxing it here on YouTube for him today. This is his iPhone 6s Plus, 128GB. You may recognize it from a previous video. I did some repairs on this device. You can see here, although he is on the Telstra network, he is not able to use the cellular function of the device. Now that we have the device set up and out of the box, we can take a closer look at the device itself. On the left of the watch, you'll find the dual speakers. On the right of the watch, you're going to find the side button, digital crown and microphone. Internally, this thing's packing a dual-core 64-bit processor and 16 gigs of internal storage, which is a significant improvement over previous generations of Apple Watch, which only had 32-bit processors with 8 gigs of internal storage. Now, comparing this Series 4 Apple Watch to the original Series 0 Apple Watch, which is my current Apple Watch, you can see that from the outside they do look quite similar. Obviously, the Nike has those extra holes in the bands. Now, speaking of those bands, if you want to go ahead and swap those out, you can. But these bands are actually interchangeable with every generation of Apple Watch, which means you can put the new Series 4 Apple Watch bands on your original Series 0 Apple Watch. It is kind of neat that Apple still has kept the same band design, which if you have previous bands from previous generations of Apple Watch, you can easily put them onto your new Apple Watch. You can see here with screen size, the Series 4 has a significantly better display, which is more edge to edge, is much larger than the original Apple Watch and all other previous Apple Watches. And overall, the operating system feels much more smooth and much more refined than it does on the Series 0. Now, I can only compare it to the Series 0 as that's the only Apple Watch I have, but you can see here things like Hey Siri open at the same time. Hey Siri, As you can see, they both successfully opened Hey Siri, although the Series 4 seemed to disappear for some odd reason. I'm not quite sure why that is. And on that note, this has been a unboxing and first look at the Apple Watch Series 4. If you like what you saw, hit that subscribe button and consider checking out the unboxing playlist for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you're following my social media, link will be in the description. That's all for this video, and I'll catch you guys next time.